My name's Colin. I am an independent optometrist and I run a private practice in Dumfries and Galloway. I came to Vision Scotland to have refractive lens exchange. I have been wearing glasses since about the age of 9 or 10 years old. Gradually became very short-sighted, ultimately to about -6, so moderate to high short-sighted individual. Predominantly wore glasses all my life, and I sort of wore contact lenses quite a bit during my younger years, but as I became a bit older, started to experience a bit of dry eye. Contact lens wear became a little bit more problematic. One of the things I like to do as a pastime is ride a motorcycle. Both wearing glasses and contact lenses have their own compromises when you're doing that kind of thing. Foggy lenses, misting up, rain on your glasses, that kind of thing. So I was looking for various reasons, just a way of maybe kind of trying to become more independent of having to have glasses or contact lenses for my vision. So really since COVID, I've seen a lot of a swing towards people becoming more interested in private care, specifically for treatment of cataracts and vision correction in general. And part of my job is to really give people all of their options. That might be spectacles, contact lenses, or other forms of vision correction. And surgery is obviously a big one of those. I've had a lot of patients that I've recommended to go privately because it suited what they wanted and the timescale they wanted to have it done in. Waiting times on the NHS has been a big factor for a lot of my patients as well. And I've watched with interest a lot of those patients coming back, having chosen to go to Vision Scotland and being very impressed with the service that they got and with the treatment they got and the outcome of their treatment. And that piqued my interest to look into Vision Scotland for my own requirements. So my initial consultation was very informative. I came in with a bit of knowledge under my belt. I was aware of what the different forms of lens that were on the market that I could opt to have to try and be as independent of glasses as possible. What I didn't realise on the day of my appointment that there was a fairly new lens that had just come out on the market, which potentially offered even greater independence than the other ones. So I went away after learning that and did a bit more research and decided that that was the one for me. So day of surgery, obviously, even with the knowledge that I have as a professional, I was pretty nervous. I think that's understandable for most people. But yeah, the greatest of care, very professional team. Most of the time was spent just getting prepared for the surgery itself, several hours waiting, getting drops in. The surgery itself went really straightforward, pain-free, about 15 minutes per eye. I had both eyes done on the same day, one after the other. And really, recovery was pretty quick on that day. No ill effects. You get given some drops to use from the day after, and you get a follow-up sort of 6 weeks after surgery. I can honestly say that since having the surgery, I haven't needed to reach for a pair of glasses at all. I was prepared for the possibility I might need to use a little pair of magnifiers for very, very small detail. That has not been the case. I felt my vision has progressively, day on day, got better, and my latest assessment, my vision was better than 20/20 and really good near vision as well, so I'm very, very happy. I can ride a motorcycle without any vision correction, the freedom's fantastic, and yeah, I was back to work, doing very detailed work, treating patients 7 days after surgery without any fuss or hassle at all. So it's been a very good recovery and I've been very impressed with the outcome. So I think if I were asked, would you recommend this to anyone, then obviously it's something I'm used to recommending as a choice for patients anyway. Where my point of view, I guess, has changed is that I now have a personal experience that I can put into the conversation with patients. I've always known really fairly accurately what's involved in getting the procedure done. There are risk factors, don't get me wrong, but the risks are very small and all of that is covered with you. And I was very much aware of that as an individual, as a short-sighted individual as well. There are certain risk factors that pertain to me, but I felt confident enough to go ahead with the procedure knowing that because of the faith I had in the team at Vision Scotland and in my surgeon at Vision Scotland. And I think that conversation I would have with patients now is, do your research, be aware of what these risk factors are. They are very small. but having gone through it myself, the benefits outweigh any risks, and I could not recommend it more thoroughly than I am just now.